Audi's biggest SUV is almost here. And honestly, the 2027 Audi Q9 might be the luxury three-row SUV Audi should have built years ago. Because while the Q7 has always been comfortable, refined, and incredibly capable, it has never been quite as massive or imposing as the BMW X7 or Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Q9 changes that. In this video, we're going to be looking at our unofficial vision for the Audi Q9, created using details visible on Audi's camouflage prototype. Up front, the enormous black honeycomb grille completely dominates the design. Normally, a grille this large might look ridiculous, but on something the size of the Q9, it actually works. The split headlight design gives it a much more futuristic personality, with these razor-thin pixel-style daytime running lights sitting above the darker main lighting units. It almost looks like the SUV is squinting at every smaller crossover in front of it. And compared with the Q7, the Q9 looks noticeably taller, longer, and more upright. The Q7 is already a fairly large three-row SUV, but this stretches the proportions further. The roofline stays high toward the rear, the doors look enormous, and the longer body should create far more usable space in all three rows. Then from the side, you really understand what Audi is trying to do. The long wheelbase, huge windows, broad shoulders, and almost perfectly squared-off rear section make this look less like an enlarged Q7 and more like Audi's answer to a luxury private jet on wheels. The silver window trim and roof rails add just enough elegance, while those massive black wheels keep it from looking too conservative. And then there's the rear. That full-width LED light bar looks fantastic, especially with the segmented lighting graphics extending into the corners. The back end is clean, wide, and expensive-looking, without being covered in unnecessary vents or fake aerodynamic pieces. There are still exhaust outlets in these visuals, which suggests that the Q9 will remain combustion-powered, rather than becoming another fully electric Audi SUV. Now, Audi has not officially released the complete powertrain lineup yet, so the engine details are still expectations rather than confirmed specifications. The regular Q9 will most likely use a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, potentially with mild hybrid assistance, giving it the smooth power delivery and towing ability expected from a full-size luxury SUV. And for buyers who think a giant family SUV should also move like a sports sedan, inside, the Q9 should feel far more spacious than the Q7. These images show a clean Audi-style dashboard with a digital instrument cluster, dual-center displays, physical-looking steering wheel controls, wood trim, ambient lighting, and plenty of dark leather. But the real story is the second row. Available captain's chairs would give passengers their own individual seats, armrests, and easier access to the third row. A 7-seat configuration is also expected for families that need maximum passenger capacity. Audi has previewed the Q9 as a 6- or 7-seat flagship with a highly digital cabin and more space than the Q7, and that is exactly where the Q9 could seriously challenge the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. The X7 is sporty and confident. The GLS is soft, luxurious, and comfortable. But the Q9 could land right between them, combining Audi's clean technology, understated styling, quattro capability, and a cabin that feels modern without looking like a nightclub attached to a tablet store. The crazy thing is that Audi has waited this long to enter the full-size luxury SUV segment. BMW and Mercedes have been selling their giant three-row flagships for years, while Audi buyers wanting something larger than the Q7 had nowhere else to go. Now they finally will. This may not how the Q9 end up looking, but it will be dramatically close to this. And honestly, the 2027 Audi Q9 could be the SUV that completes Audi's entire lineup.